Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove your video background on CapCut PC, and like how you can add in like a video background or like a canvas background from the app itself. Super simple. You are going to get your video and add it to your track. Go to cutout and select auto cutout, and to add background go to canvas and go to either style or color. If you want like a background from the CapCut app, like so, like this one for instance, or like this one, it is totally up to you which one you choose, obviously. But if you want to add a video, add this to the second track, and then you can add in like a video to the background of your video, like so. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.